many of you are going to take the 28X? Who's got the 5 of Eric Pearson? Who's got Triggs? All right, lights on the car corner pace truck are out for Mikey Mahurin as he's going to bring it around. It's about time. Here we go. Here they come, here they come, here they come. Great flag, and we're racing. And it's Todd Snow to pull away from Mahurin early. Gazelle is going with them. That's the Sycamore driver. 70X car and David Cooter. All kinds of problems in that 70X car. But it's Todd Snow off to the races in the lead. Gazelle in second. Stephen Hillary third. It's Randall Sadler in fourth, followed by Triggs in fifth. Pearson sixth. Bart Brockman. Whoa! Sadler and Stephen Hillary. Don't know what happened there. If contact was made, I'm assuming so with 2 cars spinning out. Todd Snow's going to pick them up. And they are now entering the Raw Steel Collision Center restart zone. Here they come. Let's do it again. Green flag, and we're racing. And Gazelle looking to challenge Snow for the lead right off the get-go. Snow gets him coming out of 2, though. Triggs, here comes Triggs to try to slide up there now to challenge Gazelle for second. Eric Pearson may go right with Triggs. Bart Brockman still on the inside. Here comes the 26X. Cody Armado's back at it. Good to see Cody back with us, as he's going to try to run the figure 8 tonight. So it's going to be Pearson now to work on the inside of Triggs. Mike Gazelle a little bit off the pace there, slipped a little bit coming out of turn 2. Triggs looking to challenge Snow, but Pearson is right there to make it difficult for Triggs to challenge Snow. This is going to get interesting. Here we go. We're 5 laps into this race this time by. We got a great battle for second between Triggs and Pearson. Todd Snow doing what he can to hang on. Pearson trying to get in front of Triggs now. Coming into 3. They're side by side. We're back for a tie for second. Yeah, definitely. We're side by side. Door handle to door handle for Triggs and Pearson. Pearson gets the edge coming out of 2. He's going for the lead. Here comes Pearson. And it's Randall Sadler to challenge Mike Gazelle towards the back, but Pearson looking to try to take the lead away from Snow. Pearson and Snow side by side now. Garrett Braden getting in the mix now too. It's Pearson, Snow, side by side again. Oh, Pearson's got up just barely an edge now. Let's see what happens into this turn. Braden trying to take away third from Triggs. He just did. And your new leader's Eric Pearson. Garrett Braden trying to get around Todd Snow. He just does. Bart Brockman looking to challenge Snow for third. And it's Brockman to challenge Triggs now. Bartman in fourth, Triggs in fifth. Bartman trying to move up to challenge Snow. Whoa, they got real close there coming out of 4 between Snow and Brockman. As Garrett Braden is really putting the pressure on Eric Pearson now. Bart Brockman looking on the inside of Todd Snow for third. Todd Snow hanging on by about a half a car. Oh, not anymore. Brockman may have got him in that turn. It's going to be Brockman to grab third now. Pearson coming around, 13 in, 7 to go, Rockford Speedway. Braden looking to challenge Pearson. Look out. Sadler looking to challenge Triggs. Oh, we got a race for the lead. Braden, here he comes. It's Braden, it's Pearson. Braden trying to get ahead of him. I don't know if it's going to happen. Pearson right back there. Oh, Braden's got about a half a car lead now. Pearson's right there. They're coming into lap traffic. Will it play a part? It doesn't. Braden with a half a car, maybe 3/4 of a car. Pearson back at it with a half a car. You got a battle in the back between Sadler and Triggs as well. 4 to go, Rockford Speedway, as Garrett Braden is your new leader. Eric Pearson's not going to let it go easy, though, whatsoever. Eric Pearson's not out of this race whatsoever. 3 to go for Garrett Braden. This time Garrett Braden may get away a little bit here. Let's see if Pearson tries an inside move on him. Pearson starting to look to Braden's inside. Back to the outside. Everybody else single file. Let's see if Pearson's got something to get Braden. But it's Sadler and Triggs battling for 5th place. White flag out for Garrett Braden. Eric Pearson's right there. If Braden slips, it could be Pearson's race. That time he didn't slip, though, that's for sure. Looked like he pulled away a little bit. I'm going to say it looks like it's going to be, here he comes. It's Garrett Braden for the win. Followed by Josh Pearson, or Eric Pearson, I should say. Bart Brockman, Todd Snow, Randall Sadler, John Triggs. And then I think it's going to be Mike Gassell, Mikey Mahurin, and Cody Armato. All right, drivers, make some noise for this guy. We go down and interview him, but we're trying to, with the threat of Mother Nature, we're just going to try to keep the show on the road. This driver's out of Kirkland, Illinois, driving a 2007 Chevy Cobalt, the Never Lift Motorsports. Once he gets out, here he is, make some noise. It's Garrett Braden. Garrett Braden, I just want to say a heck of a wheel man there, having the issues earlier today and getting their fixed, turned around, and you even put it in victory lane. Congratulations, Garrett.